You're being a sweet boy today. He loves his pets. You know you're not an owl. Do you know that? Even though your head is completely upside down. This looks crazy. It looks like you're an owl. Like you turn your neck all the way around. He says, get in there, Mama. I like it. I really like it. I like it. This bird was surrendered because the family had a small child and they couldn't give him any attention anymore because they had a child. I mean, I don't know. Just seems a little strange, but okie dokie. It's not, they're not super high maintenance. Of course, they deserve love and attention, but anyway, I just thought that was super interesting. I have to stop petting you for a minute because I gotta push stop. Oh, he's a sweet boy. They do get a little attitude though, I'll tell you what.